What is the ruling on having intercourse with the spouse from behind? Is it a major sin? What is known as anal sex is the actions and doing of the people of Lut, peace be upon him. And sodomy is a major sin. And in some narrations, it is described as kufr. Anal sex is totally prohibited. Homosexuality is totally prohibited in Islam. And it is a major sin that is punishable in Islam. And there is no justification or excuse, none whatsoever for it. The scholars say that spouses that practice it must be separated. And a wife must not comply with such filthy, sick requests because it's unnatural. And because it's a major sin that is equivalent to going to soothsayers and believing them. And unfortunately, people are indulging in this major sin due to what they practice and see. Pornography, social media, the movies, this sick, filthy Western life that is intrusive to their own purity and religion of cleanliness. They're okay with tarnishing their lives. This is their lives. They can do whatever they want. As for us Muslims, we have rules and regulations. Our religion is based on purity. It's a religion of fitrah, of nature. And this filth goes against it. May Allah protect us all.